has been a month since I have used Urban Skincare RX. It's been a little bit over a month. And I think I have a pretty good basis of what works and what doesn't work for me. So I am almost out of the cleansing bar. As you can see, I only have like a little bit left. So this is probably going to last me like the next week. I'm not a fan of this. It came with the 2 puffs. I've already used them and I've lost them. So I've been using my hands. I'm not a big fan of this, mainly because, so the first ingredient is coconut oil. So coconut oil, you know, it feels moisturizing, but after, you know, an extended period of time, it kind of dries your skin out. And I feel like that's what's going on. When I first used it, and my skin felt like supple afterwards, but then now when I use it, my skin is feeling a little tight and a little dry. So I'm using it just because I purchased it. I'm gonna finish it out, call me cheap or whatever, but I'm not gonna be repurchasing it because I just feel like it's not helping my skin. But I do think that the puff is really good because it's exfoliating your skin. But I don't feel like I need that much exfoliation. And I don't feel like my skin needs something this harsh. I think if you have oily skin, this might be better for you because it'll help combat some of that oil. But I don't have oily skin, so it's just kind of making my skin feel a little dry and a little tight. So won't be repurchasing that. As far as the other things that I have, when I was using them, I was using all every day. And that was leading to me having like to have very big breakouts right here and on my jaw. And I never have breakouts right there. So I was kind of concerned that maybe I was having a reaction to something, but I realized that I was using these things way too often. Some of like the retinol, you're not supposed to be using that every day. You're supposed to work your way up. I think I was doing too much for my skin. So I've calmed down on the amount that I've been using these products. That way I can get the best effect, which is why I came a little bit after a month for this review, because I wasn't using it right and I didn't want to say, oh, these products are trash, they don't work, and I wasn't using them correctly. In the mornings after I wash my face, I've been using these Glycolic pads. They're supposed to control oil, blemishes, and brighten skin tone. I don't actually need oil controlled, and I don't need the blemishes. I don't know if it's really helping the blemishes because I still have blemishes that keep coming up. But as far as brightening my skin tone, I do feel like my skin is a lot brighter and glowy. And I think that is part of the peels. And then another part of that, I think, is the Hydrafirm and Brightening Serum. I feel like this, in conjunction with the pads, is helping my skin look a lot. I just have like a glow about my skin, and this Hydrafirm, I feel like my face is feeling a lot not tighter in a dry way, but like firmer. So I really like this. I probably won't repurchase it because I don't need my skin to feel firmer. But I do like the brightening effect that my skin has. It does have like a very glowy look to it that I'm a fan of. Okay, so the next thing that I have is the HydraBalance, which has hyaluronic acid and 2% squalene. I really like this product. The only problem that I have is that it was way too expensive for me for the amount that I got. Like, this itty bitty jar was a good bit of money, and it didn't come with that much. I'm almost out, if you can see that. I really like the texture of it on my skin. It makes my skin feel very moisturized. Again, the only problem that I have with it is the price. Little amount, I feel like I can find something that works similarly for a lower cost. So that's just my opinion on that, but I do like that. At nighttime, bless you, I use the cleanser, and then I use this Retinol Rapid Repair and Dark Spot Treatment. It has kojic acid and niacinamide in it. I like the Retinol. When I was using all the products every single day, my skin would my skin would sting every time I layered a product after the cleanser, and I was wondering if that meant it was working, if I was having a reaction, but I was oversensitizing my skin and not letting my skin have time before I added another product. So with this, I've been using it every other day. This is supposed to improve uneven skin tone and blemishes. I like the consistency of it. It says you're supposed to be using SPF with it, and I think that was another problem I was having. The SPF that I was using the CeraVe facial moisturizing lotion with SPF in it, and I feel like this leaves too much of a white cast on my skin. So I stopped using it, and I purchased another one, but I went out a few days without this on, and I was directly in the sun, and I feel like this, in conjunction with the other product I'm going to show you, she's just so busy, it left a few marks on my face that I didn't have before. So I'm not a big fan of that. This is why you have to be careful with what you're using. I just feel like these products aren't really user friendly. They're more for people who have a little bit more advanced knowledge and practice with higher strength products. So yeah, I have a few little marks that look darker than everything else, and they weren't there before. So it's like right here, up here, and right here. It's like some big dark splotches that you can notice, or that look a little bit different than the other hyperpigmentation. So that came from these products and not using sunscreen. But I like the retinol. I feel like my skin is looking a lot more youthful. I look like I have brighter skin. So in conjunction with the pads and the Hydrafirm, I feel like my skin just looks very glowy. It looks very healthy. I still have, you know, hyperpigmentation, but the acne has started to go away since I started using these products less. And lastly, this Clear Complexion Acne Serum and Spot Treatment. This has 5% benzoyl peroxide, which is good for acne. I use this a lot when my face was breaking out from using all the products. When my face was breaking out from using all the products, I was using this as a spot treatment. As far as it minimizing the acne, it definitely did make it smaller and less inflamed. So I have been using that. And yeah, so I'm going to come back when I have used these products for like another month or so, just to give you guys a full, you know, just to give you guys a total review and show you guys how my skin ends up looking, because I did just start using these products directly. I can't give you like a full unbiased review because I did hate these products for a little minute. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, make sure you leave them down below in the comment section. And if you have not already done so, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my video next time.